car for each one. Now they're numbered. Okay, top, front. I've got enough writing on there. So if you've got, I don't know if you got your video, but this is the front bar. You know, I didn't number which cart these go in, did I?
Yeah, I think it's my, yeah, I'm not going to take them out of the trailer. I'll just set them to the side like you did.
We're number one, aren't we? Yeah.
Yeah, but Murphy's Law.
Number one, there it is. I had it. Number one trailer, but front, right, left.
Okay.
This will go up and over. Now what makes this fun and interesting is that some of these can be pretty dang tight. So all you need to do is just start, in fact I'll let you put yours, you might have to hammer it down with your fist. See the two holes in there? Two? Yeah, so we're going to try and get, you can step on the frames. Okay, I'm going to come from the top. Oops, there went a nut. These are where you've got to have some patience. You've got to make sure that you don't cross thread these. I should drill the holes a little bit bigger. But those don't line up. It's because you don't have the cart set right.
Okay.
It may be in backwards or something, but you can see the way the bars go between. It'll keep them going fore and aft and up and down.
Right. And it does not go through the spokes.
Does not go through the spokes.
Okay. Okay.
Buckets. You want to put the two buckets in there because it won't fit.
Further in the middle,
so
okay.
So you have the canopies, all the hardware bags, and the lift blocks. Put them all down inside there.
Okay.
And the same thing here, you'll put those in here, roll this in. Oh, let me show you this. I'll show you this on the other one. But you can see we're missing one of the frames. It's the one that's built.
Okay.
So it goes in here. Obviously you can't clamp it down unless you have all 7 on here.
Okay.
So make sure these are all in order. Here's your numbers. Cart 12. So make sure you put these in here in order.
Okay.
Bob, we probably ought to show them. Someone lift that bar, have that handle. And then you just pull it out. And that's it. Now you'll notice that there's padding in here. Someone kind of let that get caught. As you bring these in, you got to be careful. Stuff is rubbing.
And it's this way up. You see the numbers up.
Watch when you're dropping them so you don't ding the metal. They all slide in. If you have a problem where something's really giving you a hard time, you can loosen up these 4 bolts, or that's 3, just to kind of let that bracket move just a little bit, because sometimes it can be a little tight. This stuff will not roll down here. So over. A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is this one over here, and this is this one over here. I'll put some arrows on these too, but these little tabs right here have to be this way or they won't come by. If you swap it around, this tab will be out and it'll catch the wheels.
Okay.
So it's angled like that, and I'll put some arrows on it for forward. Now put your pressure on it. So come after you. There you go. There you go. Oh, your sandals. You don't wear sandals next time.
Did you cut your foot?
Yeah, that's why I'm wearing sandals, because of the.
Oh, jeez.
Otherwise, I'd have other shoes.
Yeah. Well, that's okay. Got stitches now. And how these are here.
Stitches down there. I don't care about a scar. Cool. Make sure you get a close up.
Okay, so this is number 26. See this frame? It's labeled A.
This is the prototype.
This is the prototype because it has a different attaching system.
Okay.
This one we'll leave on here, but you probably just ought to put it off to the side.
Okay. Okay.
We probably won't put the axles on there. Maybe we will. I don't know. I'll probably send you with the hardware if you absolutely needed it. We're going to be here on the 9th.
On the
right?
9th, April 9th.
Are you going to have any of these guys come or?
No, I wasn't. But I mean, I could try to get
here.
Yeah, and I'll try to get the guys that were not here today to come on April 9th.
Even if you have some of your ma's and pa's that.
Okay.
Well, no, they won't be doing any assembly. Will
right.
They? Yeah, that's right. I can show you the canopy later.
Okay.
Okay. The biggest thing is, and if you look at the plan, it's hard to, but E, F, G, arrow is always forward because they're all custom drilled. This is the most critical joint right here. See, there's no block between there. So if you tighten this up like crazy, you could just bow this thing to no end.
I see. Okay.
So it's just snug. That's actually loose.
Okay.
All of these fasteners use a certain length fastener. These are all the same except for this one. Because of the distance here, it's a little bit shorter.
Okay.
These all have different length fastener. This is where you can have a nice tool to get in here.
You got those all labeled in your plans, right?
Yes.
So each length is labeled in the plan.
And it's to scale. Do you want to grab that one thing there, Bob? Each cart will have a bag.
Does each cart have a wrench set in it too?
No.
Or, okay, I was just going to say, all right.
No, I've collected a few over the years. And I try to get them back to people. Okay, so you can match this right up.
Okay.
These are your big of them now with the yellow circle.
Okay.
To help out, because if you put the wrong size, if you put a longer one where it goes smaller, like we've had them here, they'll put the 5mm bit longer one.
Right.
And they're wrenching it down, and we almost didn't get one apart.
Okay.
So the 4 corner, that means you need a washer. And that's what these washers are for. What happened is, there was enough when we built some. There was a little bit of a variation that we couldn't get these to tighten up with the 40mm. So you need a washer that goes underneath. If you see that underneath the head. So if you have a 24, and there's the arrow barely going forward. B, C.
And they're labeled.
Okay.
And they're labeled underneath. So this one will go on the cart this way, like so. So you'll need someone holding this so they don't fall off. And then they overlap, so then, I don't know what Bob's got there right
24D.
now. So D is the back.
This is 24D. And
One